So I'm off to the company now, and I'm off to see a high pressure washer, which this company produces. Here we are. Ah, hello Mr. Yuan. My name's Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So I'm here today to see your high pressure washer.
Yes, you're welcome.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, here we are, Alex.
We're here.
This is our showroom.
Oh, very nice. Can you show me these wonderful products?
Yeah. Now we have 3 series. One series is for home use.
Okay.
This is the medium size.
Medium size?
Yes. Also we have a large size
Oh, but
for
large.
industrial use.
Oh, industrial use.
Yes.
Okay. These are the most popular.
Yeah, most popular. The important is that we have our own patent for the pump.
Of course.
Yeah. So with this pump, our product can have a better water function and better pressure.
Okay.
Yeah.
PSI, very important.
Yes, of course.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So these can be used for example, for car washes,
Yes.
walls.
Yes.
Yes. Floors.
Yes. Also the roof.
For roofs.
Yeah. Even you can clean the trees leaves.
Oh yeah. Okay. All right then. Can I get one of these down? Let me see how heavy they are.
Yeah. It's light.
Oh, it's not too bad. It's quite light. Yes.
Yeah. The shell is used ABS and PP material.
Okay. And it's got nice handles. Quite a long lead.
Yes, this hose.
Quite long lead.
Yeah,
That's
this
quite
is 8 meter.
8 meter hose.
Yes, and this is 5 meter cable.
Excellent. Now, I think we should test one of these.
Yeah.
Can I test one today?
Yeah.
Can I try it on a nice car?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that.
Yeah. Good.
Let's go. Okay, Miss Yuan. So we're going to put a hole in that box with the machine?
Yeah.
Let's see that. I'm just going to be very excited.
Okay. Let's test.
Let's test it.
Yeah.
Go on, my man. Wow. Wow.
So you see the pressure.
I can see that.
It's very high.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was very, very impressive.
Yes.
Okay.
So you can adjust the pressure.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what pressure was that? It's about what?
About 1,750 psi.
Okay. 170 psi.
Yeah.
Strong. Okay, I'm very impressed.
This is the machine. We are making the cover.
Okay. This is the molding station.
Yes.
Can I see one?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Mr. Yan. They look good.
Yeah.
They look good. Good finish.
Yeah. Strong.
Very strong.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good quality.
Yes.
I like them.
Yeah. Sure. Alex.
Okay. Yes.
First, I'll show you our component quality control.
Quality control, very important.
Yeah. This is the pump
Okay, these,
component.
these are your components.
Yeah.
Okay. And these do measurements.
Yes.
You know the
They will
guy
measure each piece.
measuring all each pieces,
Yeah.
all the components. Okay.
Yeah.
I can see them. Yes. You show me one.
Yeah. This,
Oh,
this
okay.
part, the pump. This part, the motor.
Okay. Motor.
We will make a quality control over there. For
Over
the-
here?
Yeah, income and out the put.
Okay. Income and output.
Yes.
All right.
Next, I'll show you how every component is stored together.
Okay.
So that part will get a finished product.
We can see the finished product.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Yan. Let's see that.
Yeah.
Oh, now what's he doing here, Mr. Yan?
They are making the electricity current test.
Okay, for safety.
Yeah, for safety.
Yes, make sure there's no electricity currents.
Yes. This is very important.
It is very important. So, you know, if I pick that up, I don't get electric shock.
Yeah, right.
Yes. Now, are these machines? Are
All
these
finished.
all finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, are they ready for packaging?
No, we have test once again.
You got to test once more.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I take one and do a test
Yeah.
with it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take this one. Can you test that one for me, please? Let's find out. Oh, good.
Yeah. Work.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Works fine. And where are all these going to go to?
To USA market.
Oh, to the US market.
Yeah.
Excellent. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed Mr. Yan and his company. And if you like this video, please subscribe below. Bye-bye.